In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom equation calculation property in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know how to build a property that automatically performs math for you, perfect for things like cost per lead, revenue per unit, or any number you don't want to calculate manually. Start by opening your browser and searching for HubSpot. Click through to the official HubSpot website and sign in to your account. You'll need the right permissions to manage properties, so make sure you have access to settings. Once you're in, look to the top of the screen and click the gear icon to open the settings area. In Settings, find Data Management in the left sidebar and select Properties. This page is where all fields live for your CRM objects, such as contacts, companies, deals, tickets, and custom objects. At the top of the Properties screen, confirm you're working on the correct object, since the property you create will belong to that object and be available on its records. Click Create Property. Give your property a clear, descriptive label so teammates instantly understand what it does. For example, cost per unit or net margin percent. You can also choose a property group and add a short description to keep your CRM organized and make the purpose of the field obvious to others. For field type, choose Calculation. This tells HubSpot to keep the value read-only and always compute it automatically based on your inputs. Next, under Calculated Property Type, select Custom Equation. This option lets you write your own formula using existing numeric properties on the same object. In the Formula Builder, insert the properties you want to use and add your operators. You can click to insert properties or start typing to search for them. Use parentheses to control order of operations and keep your inputs numeric to avoid errors. A simple example might be total contract value divided by number of seats, or subtotal multiplied by 1 minus discount percent. If you expect decimals, set the display format and the number of decimal places so your result looks clean. Keep in mind that calculation properties update automatically when the source fields change, so you won't have to recalculate anything later. When your equation looks right, click Create Property to save it. To verify it's working, open a record for the object you chose, make sure the source fields have values, and watch your new property populate instantly. If the result isn't what you expect, revisit the formula to check your operators, parentheses, and referenced fields. That's it. You've created a custom equation calculation property in HubSpot that keeps your data consistent and your math automatic.